Hey everyone, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting hotel review. Today we're doing a quick one here at the Hotel Dena. This is located in Pasadena, California. It's the old Sheraton Pasadena, so it's been rebranded into a tribute portfolio property. Got a nice fresh coat of paint, a lot of new theming here. You see the Rolls Royce as you walk in. Only self-parking here at the Hotel Dena, no valet, even though they do have like a nice little valet area here. Nice little fountain as you walk in. They're going for a music and film industry vibe here. The art on the wall are actually like guitar riffs, so I love to see Jump by Van Halen up there on the wall. That was pretty cool. There's a cool little cinema area here playing old silent films, just like a little lobby area to sit. And over to the left is Agents Only. This is the hotel's Mexican restaurant. I managed to grab a seat here. I'll show you a little bit of the food. Really excellent Mexican food. Really surprised me how good that was. Up the stairs here is going to be to the left Lyric, which is going to be the breakfast restaurant. It's where you're going to get your Marriott breakfast. And then out those doors is going to be the pool. I gotta say, this hotel nice it was. Pool area looked like they had a little trailer set up for a bar during the summer months. Small pool, but definitely kind of a resort feel to it. Nothing really too special, but had nice little water stations right outside, which was cool. Right near the check-in desk was a cool little concept that I've really only seen in airports, but it's sort of the to-go market that they have in most hotels, but it's actually all self-checkout, so not manned by anyone. You just scan your items yourself, walk out the door. I really liked that. Lots of options here. Here's a little check-in area, so you can just see it's really a nice vibe in here. I had read reviews online of the Sheraton Pasadena in the past, and it just did not look all that great, so I was really surprised with how nice it was here. Self-parking down below. It's about $30 a day for parking, but the check-in hostess let me know that it's only $15 if you are here for one night and are not in the garage more than 18 hours. So that saved me about half the price, which is great. Little design on the wall, and probably the longest hallways I've seen in any hotel in the world. Definitely some contemporary resort vibes here at the Hotel Dena. On my floor there was actually the fitness center, small little fitness center, but got the job done for sure. So now let's check out the junior suite that I was upgraded to. So I did have to ask for this at check-in, but the check-in agent was really nice and upgraded me no problem. So as you enter to the right is going to be the bathroom. First time staying at a tribute hotel in quite some time, so I wasn't really familiar with like the bathroom amenities and that sort of thing. Really a nice looking bathroom though. Obviously old bones for the hotel, but really like the renovation that they did. Just, you know, nice little marble here. Shower felt nice and new. Obviously getting rid of what was once a tub and shower combo. Full length mirror here as you walk out. Two different TVs here in the junior suite, one facing the bed and one facing the living room. That's always nice to see. Small little closet, laundry bag, safe, that sort of thing. Plugs located on that table on either side of the bed, which is always great. We'll check out that balcony in just a sec. Now we'll walk over to the living room area. So pull out couch here, little seating. Pretty new furniture though. This hotel was redone in 2023, so less than a year old. Overall, loved the suite. View itself, nothing special, just an apartment building out front. And a really, really thin balcony, but overall nice to spend the night here in Pasadena. Thanks a lot for watching.